Why was the first dinosaur fossil named a type specimen? Have you ever wondered how scientists classify new species? One fascinating example is the first dinosaur fossil, which was named a type specimen. This designation plays a key role in the world of paleontology. So, why was this important? The first dinosaur fossil was identified as a type specimen because it served as the definitive example of a new species. This means it established a reference point for future identification and classification of similar fossils. In scientific taxonomy, a type specimen is a single physical example of an organism used to formally describe and name a species. The first dinosaur fossil to be named a type specimen was Megalosaurus, identified in 1824 by William Buckland, a professor of geology at Oxford University. At that time, the term dinosaur had not yet been coined. Buckland recognized that the fossilized bones he studied belonged to a large, extinct reptile that was different from any living species. By naming Megalosaurus, he created the first type specimen for what we now understand as a dinosaur species. This naming was a milestone in science and discovery. It marked the beginning of formal scientific recognition and classification of dinosaurs. Before this, large fossil bones had been found but were often misinterpreted as belonging to giant humans or mythical creatures. Buckland's work provided a scientific framework for paleontologists to systematically study and categorize these ancient reptiles. The designation of Megalosaurus as a type specimen had practical implications. It allowed scientists to compare new fossil finds to this standard. This practice is fundamental to paleontology and taxonomy, ensuring clarity and consistency in naming extinct organisms. From the perspective of uncovering remarkable historical milestones and innovations, naming the first dinosaur fossil as a type specimen represents a key moment in human history. It reflects the transition from myth and speculation about prehistoric life to a scientific approach grounded in evidence and classification. This innovation laid the foundation for the modern study of dinosaurs and our broader understanding of Earth's biological past. So, the next time you think about dinosaurs, remember the significance of that first fossil and how it helped shape the way we understand the ancient world.